Let me show you how I turn my leftover boiled rice to mouth-watering shrimps fried rice. Please watch to the end and see how I do it. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you all for coming. So I use 3 different bell peppers. I use the yellow pepper, about a little bit of it. I use the orange bell peppers and I use the red bell pepper. So I'm just cutting up my bell peppers. You have to chop up your bell peppers to the size that you want. If you want it long, any size of your choice, you can do it. So I cut it one after the other. This is the red bell pepper. This is about a quarter red bell pepper that I used. I didn't use a whole lot of bell peppers, just to give it this bright color that you want. Now this is the spring onion. I used 3 spring onions, so you can equally chop it to any size of your choice, any shape and size that you like. So what happened is that I boiled rice and beans. So the beans now got finished because I used part of the beans to eat beignet, to eat puff puff. So the rice was still there, so I did not want to throw away the rice, so I put it in my refrigerator. It has been in my refrigerator for about 4 days. So this is my onion that I'm chopping. This one I cut it into the ring size, into the ring shape, and then the other one the regular size. So just watch to the end, you'll see what I will do to it. So I put the rice in the refrigerator. I said I'm not going to throw it away. Never you throw away your leftover rice, because it can give you a whole pot of fried rice for dinner or lunch. Just follow my recipe and make yourself a good pot of fried rice from leftover rice. After cutting up my onions, I began separating the ones that I cut into ring shapes, one after the other. You do not want to fry it like that. You want to separate it for faster and easy frying. This goodness disappeared in no time. You know why? Because it was so delicious. I know you'll be wondering that what am I doing with boiled eggs in fried rice. Don't worry, just watch and you'll see the magic. You'll see it and then you will thank me later. These are hard-boiled eggs that I boiled earlier. So you want to boil your eggs, there should be hard-boiled eggs. These are hard-boiled eggs. After boiling your eggs, put in some cold water and let it cool. When it cools down completely, go ahead and peel all the eggs. After you peel all the eggs, put it somewhere, put it on the vegetable that you cut and set it aside. So please continue to watch the video to the end. I equally use sausage. This is turkey sausage. So you want to cut it to any size of your choice. I'm just cutting my sausage. After cutting it, I'm going to go ahead and fry it. When you fry it until one side it becomes golden brown, you flip it to the other side and fry it again for about 2 to 3 minutes until the other side turns golden brown. I'm using olive oil to fry it. You can use any oil of your choice. I fried my onions and the rest of the vegetables first. I remove it, put it in a bowl before I fry the sausage. If you don't want to do it this way, you can as well look for another frying pan and fry your sausages there. But I use the same pan. So after frying, if you want to fry your onion for a few minutes, for about 2 minutes, then you go ahead and add the rest of the bell peppers, the red, the yellow, the orange, and the spring onion. Fry it again for like 2 minutes. You don't want it to be overcooked. Don't over fry it. You don't want it to become so soggy or soft. Fry it just for about, you want it to stay crunchy. Fry it for about 2 minutes and then you take it out, put it in a bowl and set it aside. Add the ring onions that we separated and fry it for like 1 minute. Then remove it. You want your vegetables to stay crunchy, not soft. If you have watched this video to this moment, means you love what I'm doing, means you love what I'm cooking. So please go ahead, subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. In the same pan, add a little bit more oil, add your leftover boiled rice. Go ahead and put your onion powder, black pepper, I love black pepper, white pepper, coriander, oregano, paprika. I added about a tablespoon of paprika. Then my chicken bouillon. Then add the chicken. That's not chicken, that is goat stock. Add any stock that you have. If you don't have any stock, you put water. The reason why I'm putting the stock or water is to dissolve all the dry ingredients that we just added. Open your cabinet and use any dry ingredients that you have. Now it is time for us to add our fried shrimps. Look at how beautiful they look. It tasted so delicious too, so nice. Go ahead and add the mixed vegetables and the eggs and the sausage together. Mix everything to combine. Look at the bright color. Look at how colorful it looks. Oh my goodness, so colorful, mouth-watering. This goodness did not last a minute. It did not last a minute. It disappeared in less than no time because it was so good, so delicious, tasty. Everything was well balanced. If you notice, I did not add salt, I did not add pepper. The reason is simple. The reason is that when I was seasoning the shrimps, I put pepper. My camera went off and I didn't know. From the seasoning to the frying, and I didn't know. The stock had salt and pepper. The rice had salt, so that's why I didn't add salt to the fried rice again. So everything was well balanced. The rice was well seasoned, colorful, tasty, and it came out so nice. Thank you all for watching.